Watch Tesla Cybertruck steering and suspension testing at Fremont. The Tesla Cybertruck has been out and about on a much more regular basis these days as the US EV maker gets ready to launch the unique electric pickup officially. While there have been many sightings of various Cybertrucks in the wild, some of the latest spy footage has come from the Tesla factory in Fremont, California, where the Cybertruck has been undergoing testing. Tesla plans to bring the Cybertruck to market later this year, though we have no idea when. We do know that CEO Elon Musk and company have repeatedly confirmed the electric truck's arrival this year, but Musk did make it clear that large-scale production won't likely begin until 2024. Judging by past Tesla launches, it will definitely take some time after the initial delivery festivities for the company to successfully ramp up production. How many Cybertrucks do you think Tesla will deliver at the initial party? The Cybertruck will be produced at Tesla's newest factory in Austin, Texas. However, while the electric truck has been seen in and around Austin and at the colossal new factory, it seems more common to see it in California, at or near the company's Fremont factory. This is where Tesla typically tests its vehicles, and its new global engineering center is nearby, not to mention the 4,680 battery cell pilot plant on Cato Road. Musk continues to tout the Cybertruck, tweeting out crazy ideas on Twitter about how it will be able to act as a boat for a time, which is something Musk has repeatedly mentioned in the past about other Tesla EVs. He's also talked about how well the massive truck can turn. In fact, the CEO said the Cybertruck might have a turning radius that's better than that of the Model Y, though Teslarati notes that the Model Y's turning radius is not that impressive. At any rate, as you can see in the recent YouTube video above, which was captured and published by drone operator Met God in Wilderness, the Cybertruck does appear to have the ability for tight turns. This is thanks to the electric truck's rear-wheel steering, which will likely prove to be a welcome enhancement for such a large and heavy vehicle. The drone video footage also reveals the Cybertruck's suspension testing. Despite Tesla's reputation for firmer suspension systems, the Cybertruck should deliver a coddling ride, or it may struggle to compete with other pickups. While trucks may not have been praised for their ride quality in the past, it's a feature many people have come to expect. Trucks have become much more luxurious and pampering of late, and though the Cybertruck is rugged on the outside, one can only hope it's comfortable to ride in. Source: reposted and summarized from Stephen Loveday at Inside EVS.